Hey, what's up, friends? Will here with Club Cocal and my good friend Bob with the House of Life. We are at the one and only Bitcoin Farmers Market right here now in Club Cocal every other Saturday. A place where locals, vendors, Bitcoiners, community people come together to vibe, to network, to feast on amazing local goods and services. And yeah, I'm stoked to have my brother Bob here with me.
Yeah,
sipping
man.
on a delicious coconut.
Yeah.
So Bob is an angel dropped from a cloud right here onto this volcanic soil, along with many others around us. And Bob and his organization, they rescue and house and rehabilitate pregnant teenage girls, otherwise homeless. And so it's a really beautiful thing. It's a beautiful mission. You get to see the girls, you get to see the babies, you get to see the homes being built, and you get to see the lives being saved. So we've partnered with the House of Life as a real estate company and development firm here, where we're doing different communities that we're developing with Bitcoiners and like-minded freedom lovers. And we're building House of Life compounds and schools and really cool other things on these communities. And we're just really stoked to have Bob in our circle.
Yeah, it's overwhelming what the Bitcoiners have and Club Cocal and Will and everybody have done for us. When the girls come, they're 12, 13, 14 years old, they're pregnant. They're literally thinking of suicide on a daily basis. Some of them are even cutting themselves. And they don't want their babies. Their life in their minds is over. And once they feel safe at the shelter we've built for them, they start thinking that, well, maybe I could go back to school, maybe I could get an education. And then later they start processing how much they really love their babies. They don't hate their babies anymore. They become great mothers. And then they're like, well, how am I going to care for my baby? Where are we going to live? What are we going to do? There's nobody. And steps in Will and Club Cocal, and they're like, we're going to give you a piece of land and where you can build 8 homes for these girls. And I'm like, what? And I wish you could have been there when I told the girls. It's like a switch changed in their mind. Like, maybe there's a chance I'm actually going to have a future for me and my baby. Maybe I don't have to hook up with whatever guy. Doesn't matter if he's 80 years old. If he's got a house, I'm his. Because who's going to take me and a child that's not theirs? And that's the reality of life in third world countries. El Salvador is moving up. Are we in second world, between second and first now?
Somewhere in there.
Somewhere in there, right? Yeah. So it's step by step. I mean, from the murder capital of the world to the Civil War, getting to the first world, they're close. They're close. And so it's step by step. But these girls now have hope. We work with a team from Harvard. They train our staff on trauma. They train us on helping the girls deal with the trauma that they've been through. And what they've said is giving these girls a safe place, giving them a home, and giving them security, and giving them hope for the future. Now they have hope for the future. Is the best trauma therapy there is. And so,
dude, and that hope I've literally witnessed firsthand now with my time and experience with these girls. And we were at the Adopting Bitcoin conference months ago, and I was outside speaking with some folks, and you came out, and some of the girls were with you, and I felt these eyes on me, and I look over, and the girls are just beaming this energy and wave, and I said, hola, chicas. So it's this really beautiful thing that you, with this charity, you get to actually experience the change. You get to see the dollars or the Bitcoin or the sats go to work and meet the girls. And it's a beautiful thing, man. It's a beautiful thing. We've hiked properties with them, future homes together. We'll be neighbors with these girls, sharing community together and their babies. And it's really exciting, man.
Yeah, these girls, so they're all of them have their chef certificates. They're going to get holistic chef licenses too, certificates also. They'll be able to cook vegan, cook beef, whatever you want. Lots of beef. We're not really vegan. We're more beef people, but you know.
Sporting the hat. Shout out Beef Initiative.
For those who do eat vegan, the girls will be licensed to cook vegan and all kinds of natural foods and stuff. They'll be taking care of you and your homes on the properties that they're part of. you'll become family with them. It'll be a community from the beginning of life till the later years in life. It'll be awesome.
Preparing
It is
your
awesome.
fruits, vegetables.
Yes.
Beautiful stuff.
Yes. That's it.
Love it, man. Love you, Bob.
I love you guys. Thanks to everybody who supports these guys, because I mean, we the girls have a future thanks to these guys and what they're doing, and the one amazing people that are supporting them by moving
We
into
could
their
not
properties.
do this alone.
No.
There's an army of amazing Bitcoiners, friends, brothers behind us that are supporting us in what we do. So shout out, much love, all you guys.
Yeah, God bless you all.
God bless you, Sean.
Awesome.